Since this beautiful mantra lullaby, Shuddhosi, Buddhosi, is sung by so many people, and correct Sanskrit pronunciation makes such a difference when it comes to actually feeling the mantra, I'd love to offer a little tutorial here about the correct pronunciation. So I'll say it once and then I'll point out little important details. Shuddhosi, Buddhosi, nirañjano'si, saṁsāra, māya, parivar, jito'si, saṁsāra, svapnam, traija, mohan, nidram, janma, mṛtyor, svarupe. We'll go through it word by word. Shuddhosi, that's an aspirated da, meaning we'll place the tip of our tongue behind our upper front teeth. That's where our bliss point is, meaning there's a lot of nerve endings coming together. It's a very sensitive strip of skin, and the aspiration is similar to what we do when we practice Kapalabhati. So the belly goes in and a puff of air comes out. Shuddhosi. Okay, same for the next word. Buddhosi. Nirañjano'si. We have two dental na, and we have the semi-vowel ra. Nirañjano'si. Saṁsāra. Here we have a nasalized anuswara, the M with a dot on top, and we have a long ah. Saṁsāra. Yeah, that's 2 counts for the long vowel. Māya, long ah again. Parivar, here we have the semi-vowel ra, and jito'si, dental ta. I'll do the whole line. Shuddhosi, Buddhosi, nirañjano'si, saṁsāra, māya, parivar, jito'si. Second line. Saṁsāra, that one we know already. Svapnam, dental na. Traija, semi-vowel ra. Mohan, here we have a dental na again. Nidram, semi-vowel ra. So that one is easy, right? Saṁsāra, svapnam, traija, mohan, nidram. Last line. Na, janma, dental na. Mṛtyor. That one is a bit tricky. It means death. It has 2 kinds of R's in it. First, the vocalic R, r, and then the R we already know, the semi-vowel ra. Mṛtyor. And in between, we have the dental ta. Mṛtyor. Tat, 2 dental ta. Sat, 1 dental ta. And svarupe, the semi-vowel ra again. The whole line. Na janma, mṛtyor, sat, svarupe. That's the whole mantra. Let me say it one more time. Shuddhosi, Buddhosi, nirañjano'si, saṁsāra, māya, parivar, jito'si, saṁsāra, svapnam, traija, mohan, nidram, janma, mṛtyor, sat, svarupe. I wish you so much joy with this mantra. It's from the Vedic tradition, and it basically says that all of this is just a dream, and that you are so much more than that. And this mantra can be sung in different languages. It can be sung in different melodies, of course. And if you would like to hear the melody we usually play, there's a YouTube video that you can watch. So much love to you.